Welcome back. Through this video, we'll see how to create a group in a domain. We'll move on to the practical demonstration. So in the previous video, we saw how to create a domain user. So now we'll see how to create a domain group. So once again, under the Active Directory users and computers, under users, just right click and then go to new and select group. And you can give any name for your group, something like project A, B, or C, whatever you want. And also you can create a group as the group scope shall be a domain local group or domain global group or universal group, and the group type shall be security group or a distribution group. So generally when you want to create a email enabled group, when you have a exchange server used in your environment, in that case you can create a distribution group. uh, Generally when you want to configure the group for providing the access permissions privileges, so in that cases you can create a security group. And under the security group you have domain local, domain global, and universal, so three type of scope. So basically the domain local is basically the group can be used within the domain for configuring the access privileges, and the domain global, so where the group can be used in the entire forest. And if you're creating an universal group, so where the group can be used in the entire forest along with any trusted forest also. So based on your requirement you can create whatever the type of group scope you want, then press OK. And now you can see the group has been created. And once the group has been created, you can add the users to the group. So to add the user to the group, you can just go to the properties of the group by right clicking and then go to the members tab. And currently there is no members into the group, so you can add the members. And here you can go to advanced, then you can search for the user account, and here we can see the user and select the user, then press OK, and then press apply OK. So this is one way to add a user into the group. Or other way is you can go to the user. Under the user you can see a tab member of, so from here also you can add the user to a particular group. So let me show you with another user account. So let me create another user, comet user 2. And even you can just right click on the user account, you can select the option add to group, or you can go to the properties of the group and select the option member of. And from by default you can see the user is member of the default domain users. So by default all the users will be member of the uh, domain users group. And if you want to add your user to a specific group, you can add. You can just type the first three or four characters of the group, and then you can check the name, then you can proceed. And here you can see the user is added to the particular group. So this is how the users can be added to the group, and from the group end or from the user end. So both the way you can add the users to the group. That's all for this demonstration. We'll discuss the remaining topics in the upcoming videos. Until then, bye bye.